You ever get tired of things? You ever get tired of things? You ever get tired of things in the world? I'm just so tired of hearing all these different preachers. I just looked at Ray Comfort way back, like 30 years ago. And now the commenters are saying, oh, I wish I saw this years ago, and blah, blah, blah. I'm so tired of this bullshit. You see, this preaching's been going on for years. And they're saying how different preachers need to learn how to preach different way the gospel. Can't God do it himself? But how will they know without a preacher? One verse in the New Testament says that. One verse. By old crafty, tricky Apostle Paul, the Antichrist. Yeah. You fell for his tricks, and you continue to fall for the tricks of the one-eyed farmers. That's right. The one-eyed farmers. They lead you to the cattle stalls. Holy doctrines and all. Exactly. Holy doctrines and all, they lead you to the cattle stalls. Arr! Arr! That's right. It says also that God has written these things that he wants you to know. His Spirit and everything you're supposed to know. The truth is on the tablets of your heart. Therefore, why would some trickster come in and say you need a preacher? And then a few lines before or after that, it says, the Holy Spirit will teach you all things. Well, then why do you keep having these confusion preachers? Because what? Tell them why. They're the one-eyed farmers. The one-eyed farmers. The one-eyed farmers, I repeat. Arr! Exactly. See, all these preachers out there are the one-eyed farmers. Yes, they come in all forms. Politics, religion, so-called skeptics. Mine's now septic. Yes, I see them too. But anyway, what are we to do? Continue in your natural awareness and don't take no crap. Don't believe no stupid shit. Be yourself. That's what I'll do. I'll just be myself. Take note here. Take heavy notes. Arr! Arr! That's right. That's right. Yes, to hell with Apostle Paul, the Antichrist, as I like to say, the Anticrust. Read your scriptures. When you read them truly and honestly formed by yourself, may the pickle jars of indoctrination be broken. I have spoken. Yes. The heck? Where's the angle of this camera here? The heck is going on here? I'm looking for the tail. It's tucked under now. All right, let's go. Let's go. There you are. Yes, read it. Read it. Read it. Don't let anyone else read it for you, because you'll only be indoctrinated. Led to the free, dumb stalls, mind, body, and all. That's right. I tried to warn them. I tried. You know that's right. No, that's right. You're the greatest. Is that right? That's right. Amazing grace or a disgraceful maze. They're chasing your tails in circles in a maze. In the haze. Don't let it phase you. It's just a stage. It's just a stage. Unless you become fully pickled. A pickle jars of darkness be broken. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna have you upload this. Damn, you're right, you're gonna upload this because I'm in it. Where you at? Where you at?